Hello friends, welcome to the next lecture on how to integrate Redis with Spring Data. Now in this lecture we will build two APIs, one is post and another one is get. What the post API will done, it will do the insertion in the database in the Redis database, and the get API will retrieve that data from the database. So for that we will create some packages. First of all we will create our entity package, and here we will create an entity. Now in this we will create our, let's say our entity name is movie. Now we will create its data members. ID, movie name and result. Movie can be hit or flop, or the whatever the movie name is. Now we will create some getters and setters. So for that we will take this, and we will also create some hash code and equals for our data members. Now our entity has been created. Now we will create our repository package, DAO, basically DAO, data access object, in which we will put an interface for our repository, and that will be movie repository. So here we will put two methods, void set movie, and it will take two parameters, that is ID and the movie. So basically what this method will do, it will take the ID and the movie as JSON, and it will insert into the database as a string. And another one is string that movie by ID. Now another one, this is our get method. It will retrieve the data from the database. Now we will create the implementation class for this interface movie repository. Yes, and the interface movie repository IMPL, our implementation. Now we have the overridden methods. Now what we will do, we need to insert into the database. So for that we will require a Redis template. So we will auto add that object using the string annotation, and string will be the key and the object, that will be a movie object. Now Redis template, our field name, and we will auto add using this annotation. Now to set the movie name, what we will do, we will require the Redis template dot ops for value dot set. What we will do, ID, and we will pass our value, that is movie. Now to retrieve that value, what we will do is return Redis template dot ops for value dot get, and get by the ID, the key name. So here we will add cast to string. Now this part is also done, our DAO package. Now we need to create some service which will serve to our controller. Now we will create a service package, and in that we will create a class that is movie service. Now in this basically interface we will keep the methods. Now void set movie string ID and string movie, and string get movie string ID. Now we will create our service implementation class, which will be movie service IMPL, and we will add the interface movie service. Now what we need the repository object. So what we will do is movie repository, and we will create the reference variable here. Yes, so basically when the API will be called, the controller part will go to the service, and service will handle to the movie repository, and the movie repository will finally insert the data into the database. Now here the movie repository dot set movie id, and here we will call movie repository dot get movie, and yes, so, and we will return that value. Now we need to make our controller to serve our request. So here we will make our controller, and that will be movie controller. Now we will annotate this controller as REST controller. What the REST controller does, whatever the functionality we done, it serves as a REST, and it will serve as a JSON output. Now we will create the methods. One will save into the database, and one will be exposed for the get API. Now first of all we will create the post API. Public void set movie, and now we will accept the movie object from the request. And now we will annotate this method with post mapping, and we will provide movie. And now here we need to provide our service class. Now one thing guys, as we are auto wiring this, so we need to annotate this service IMPL with our service annotation, so that it can be available for the auto wiring, and same as for the repository. Now going to the movie controller, here what we will do is movie service dot set movie dot get id. We will parse it at string value of here and the movie and what we will do is, as movie is an object, Java object, and we need here as a string value, as this parameter takes string, so we need to convert this object into the string, into the JSON string, so that we need some object mapper. Now with the help of object mapper we can serialize this into JSON string. Write value as string, and here we will pass our movie object. Now this API, okay, we need to handle compilation error.